Now we are diving into we are verifying Euler's theorem, right? Verifying Euler's theorem. The Euler's state if a function, if a function fxy is a homogeneous, right? Then x dx over dy, that's a specific formula. Y dx over dy is equal n. N means the power, the homogeneity, the power. N z කියලා ලියමුකෝ. Z means the function. If a function homogeneous, then the answer, final answer, there's a specific formula we need to apply. That's an easy, that's an easy to remember the way to get the full answer. Done. Hari. Questions take a just remember this formula. This will help us in total derivative also and Young's theorem also. Listen. Done. Let's move into the question. Question එකක් බැලුවොත් මේක මොලෙමුකෝ 2x square plus xy. This is the homogeneity at 2 නේ. ඉස්සරහ බැලුවානේ. 2x. Yes, this is the question. 2xy x square. හරි. Homogeneity at 2. Then verifying Euler's theorem. Euler's මොනවද කියන්නේ? If a homogeneity dy over dx into x plus y into dy over dx, it should be nz. Nz means the function, not anything else. The function. ඒකට සමාන වෙන්න ඕනේ. It should be equal to the power of the homogeneity and the function. බලමුකෝ කොහොමද කියලා. Then we need to get the derivative. dy over dx. dy over dx. මෙතන z නේ. function එක z කිව්වොත් z එකම ලියමු. y on. dz over dy. And a partial derivative, not an implicit derivative, now a partial derivative. Here we can apply it here and here, the x terms. X terms are there, so 4x are in y. And a partial derivative, make a partial derivative with respect of x. And dy, we can't apply it here and here. X. And we can apply the partial derivative with respect of y, x again. Hari. Now we apply the formula. Shall I move the next page? Now we apply the formula. X dy over dx plus y dy over dx equal nz නේ function එක වෙන්න ඕනේ නේ. හරි. X dy over dx 4x plus y. 4x plus y. Y වෙන්නේ y equal x නේ. Y into x. nz. 4x square plus xy plus xy equal nz නේ. nz වෙනවද කියලා බලමු. හරි. We can get it. We can add 4x square plus 2xy, the same term. And now we can get the common term out. What's the common term? 2 ne. Common term එක 2 ne. 2x square plus xy. Here you can see we have seen here before. Where? In the question, this is the function z ne. එතකොට ඒක හරිනේ n with respect of x and y, the homogeneity n, this is the z. මේක හරිනේ. එතකොට Euler's කියලා කියපෝ එක. Euler's කිව්වේ if it's a function homogeneous, we can satisfy this formula as well. හරිනේ. formula එක satisfied කළා. Done. Right. I'll give another question. මේක කරමුකෝ. x to the power 4, y to the power 4, x plus y. Then මේක කරෝ. what will happen? Make a homogeneity වෙන්නේ with at a degree of 3. 8 x to the power 4 make x to the power 1. 1 and 3 will cancel out. Sorry, 4 and the same base where we divide, it will subtract. එතකොට 4 minus 1 3 නේ. Same as 4 minus 1. එතකොට homogeneity වෙන්නේ at degree of 3 නේ. හරිනේ. homogeneity එක ඕලන් check කරගන්නකෝ. හරි. දැන් මම ගන්නවා dy over dx. df කියලාම ලියන්නම්කෝ function නේ. dy over dx and df over dy. partial derivative කරන්න ඕනේ නේ. හරි. partial derivative කරන්නවා. Done. This is the v term and u term. Quotient rule නේ. divide වුණොත් division වුණොත් quotient rule නේ. හරි. එතකොට v square, this is a specific formula there. V square u1 minus v into v minus u into v1. This is the specific formula for quotient rule. Now we applied it. X plus y to the power 2 and u1. u1 එක ඕනේ නේ අපිට. with respect of x නේ ඕනේ. 4x to the power 3, 4y to the power 3, x එක වෙන්නේ y and v, what's the v? x plus y minus මම පොඩියෙන් ලියන්න තිබ්බනේ. wait. df over dx. This is the quotient rule we are applying. X plus y to the power 2 u1 4x to the power 3 y to the power 4y plus 4y to the power 3 into x plus 3 minus මේකට derivate කරු 1 නේ v1 එක 1 නේ u as it is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. done. then මේක bracket එක 4x to the power 4 plus 4xy minus x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 x plus y square. I think x somewhere else. I'll rewrite it again. Done. I made a mistake here. Rewrite the question again. I rewrite the question again. Sorry. Done. X to the power 4, y to the power 4, x plus y. This is the question. And homogeneity is at degree of 3. මේකත් හරි. We need to differentiate df function name එක මම f කියලා ගත්තා. dx with respect of x. This is the quotient rule. We can apply quotient rule. Here you can see this is the v and u. V square means x plus y to the power 2. This is the v square. And there's a specific formula. V square u1 into v minus u into v1. Hari. Then u1. u1 එක ගත්තොත් 4x to the power with respect of x නේ ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ v x plus y. done. Minus u x to the power 4 y to the power 4 and v1 derivative of x plus y 1. Now cancel out the bracket. 4x to the power 4 plus 4x square y minus x to the power 4 y to the power 4 x plus y to the power 2. හරිනේ. then මේක minus වෙලා යනවා. done. මේක minus වෙලා මේක minus වෙලා යනවා. හරි. එතකොට එන්නේ 4x sorry 3x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3y minus y to the power 4 over x plus y. Another step df over dy මේකම reciprocal. අනිත් පැත්තම x එක එන තැන ඔක්කොම y එක ලිව්වොත් හරි. 3y to the power 4 plus 4 minus x to the power 4 x plus y to the power 2. හරිනේ. ආයෙත් මේව ලියලා බලන්නකො. You will get the same answer here. Done. I made a mistake. I think I got a wrong difference. I got differentiate with respect of y. Done. Now the formula should be x into dy over dx plus y into dy over dx should be equal to the n is at නේ nf n ඕනේ අර ෆන්ක්ෂන් එක වෙන්න ඕනේ නේ බලමු x 3x 4y over x plus y multiply කරොත් final answer වෙන්නේ එහෙම ලියන්නම්කෝ 3x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 3 මෙතන 3 නේ වෙන්න ඕනේ 4 දාලා y minus xy to the power 4 x plus y to the power 2 done හරි then y එක ලියන්න ඕනේ නේ y into 3y to the power 4 plus 4y to the power 3x minus x to the power 4 then y එක multiply කरो over x plus y තියෙනවානේ 3x to the power 5 plus 4y to the power 4x minus y x to the power 4 honey. Now we are combining these two. Combine කරොත් ඔයිලස් තියරම් එක verify වෙලා x plus 2 square 8 done. I write these down. Y minus x to the power 4. Hurry. Then add these things. 3y. 3y to the power 5 plus 4y to the power 4x minus x to the power 4y. Hurry. 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 Now what's the common term for this? There's a two product නේ මෙතන product දෙකක් තියෙනවානේ we get the common term as a three x Oh wait, before taking the common term we can cancel out this නේ. මේක minus කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Wait, 4x නේ. 4x දැන් මේක minus කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. 3x to the power 5 here. Identical terms. Same terms are there. 4x to the power plus 3 yes 3x to the power 4y වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේක identical terms. ඒක වුණොත් plus 3y to the power 4x වෙන්න ඕනේ. Then 3y to the power 5 වෙන්න ඕනේ නේ. Then we can take the common term as well. Hurry, I'll change the color. Here common term 3x to the power 4 and x plus y. Here you can get this 3y to the power 4 as a common term, x plus y. Hurry, done. 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 නේ. Again we can take the common term. X plus y as common term. 3x to the power 4, 3y to the power 4, x plus 2 to the power 2. හරිනේ. දැන් මේ දෙක කට් වෙනවා. Final answer 3x to the power 4, 3y to the power 4, x plus 2. හරි. done. එතකොට මෙතන 3 out common term ගත්තොත් x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 x plus y, not a 2, right? I write it as a 2, not a 2 is a y. And this is the function, right? And we can write is verified. Euler's theorem. Verify වෙනවානේ. This is the homogeneity power and the function nz or nf. That easy. Try yourself. I'll give you another question. Suruka. Right, I'll give another question. Try this. 3x square y square plus x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3y. හරිනේ. Checking very homogeneity and checking if it's a Euler's theorem or not. It's a homogeneity at power 4 and the answer should be like this: 3x square y square plus x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3y. The answer should be like this. Easy. බලනවා කරලා